Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to apply for overdraft protection on TD Canada Trust. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Login under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Product and Services. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for Banking. Under Banking, you will see an option for Overdraft Protection. Click on Overdraft Protection. Now on this page, you will see two options: Monthly Plan Overdraft Protection and Pay-as-you-go Overdraft Protection. The Monthly Plan Overdraft Protection is $5 per month. You will pay one monthly fee regardless of how often you use overdraft, plus 21% interest per year on overdrawn amount. While the Pay-as-you-go Overdraft Protection, you will only pay $5 per use and only pay when you use overdraft, plus 21% interest per year. Choose the option you wish to use, then click on Apply Now button. Before you get started, read some information below on the qualifications needed in applying for overdraft protection. Once done, click on Continue. On this page, you need to double-check all the information you provided. If you wish to make some changes, click on Edit button beside the information you wish to change. And once done, click on Continue. Now, enter the total overdraft protection limit you would like for this account. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Next, read all the disclosures related to your selections. You could get a copy of this file by just clicking on Download or Print option above. Then click on the checkbox below to give consent and that you agree to the following disclosures above. After that, click on Accept and Submit. That's how you apply for overdraft protection on TD Canada Trust. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.